With the district moving from Outlook to Google, we're going to need a new place to reserve rooms and resources, and that place is Google Calendar. Hi everyone, I'm Technology Coach Jim Joffrey, and I'm here to show you how to use Google Calendar to book a room. So first we're going to have to log into Google Calendar, and you can do that just by going to calendar.google.com, or you can use the waffle and pull down to Google Calendar. Waffle should be right there, Calendar is right there. And once you're in, if you haven't used Google Calendar, this will be empty. But let's say we want to find out what the availability of a certain resource is. So to do that, under Other Calendars, we would click and go to Browse Interesting Calendars. And we're going to click on the More button and then click on Resources for KauKanaSD.org. So you can see there's only a few resources in now. By the time you see this video, there will be many more resources added in here. But let's say I want to book the Park Computer Lab, or want to see the availability. If I click on the subscribe button, then I'm able to see that in my main calendar. So if I go back to the calendar, now under Other Calendars is the Park Computer Lab. So I'll be able to see any resources that are booked for the Park Computer Lab just by subscribing. Now I would like to set an appointment in the Park Computer Lab. It looks like it's open today. So I'm going to click on Create, and let's say this is a training session, and I would like that to start at 11 today, end at noon, and I'm going to go over here to the right where it says Guests and Rooms, and I want to click on Rooms, etc. And under Rooms, etc. are all the resources that we saw. You may have to scroll. If you only want to see rooms that are in a certain building, you can type part of the name and it'll show up here. And here is the Park Computer Lab. So I want to add the Park Computer Lab to that list. Now you can also add in multiple resources. So you could take the Park Chromebook cart, you could take the Science Room. You can add as many resources as are on this list, but those will book those resources at the same time. So I'm going to hit Save. And now you can see in my calendar, it shows me the Park Computer Lab, but it also shows me in my calendar and in the Park Computer Lab calendar down here that's in a pink color. I can click on that pink and turn off the calendar for Park, or I can click it back on. So you can hide or show any of these calendars that you want. They all show up on the same calendar. If you want to only look at one calendar, you could click on the little drop down and display only this calendar, and now only the Park Computer Lab calendar is showing up on my list. So that's how you add a resource to booking in Google. We'll be moving to this hopefully within the next month or two so that everybody can start booking on Google. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.